Friendship. The one thing that can make or break us. How do you know if your friends are a good influence on you? Friendship is a bond that defines us, shaping our paths and defining our choices.
Choosing friends who share our values is crucial.
You may be wondering, how do you find a true friend?
It's about having someone who truly understands you.
Even in the toughest times, a true friend should remain a steadfast companion.
You know, when life gets rough, it's those friends that keep us going.
They remind us that we are not alone in our journey.
But not all friendships are meant to last forever.
Sometimes we gotta let go of friendships that hold us back.
Amos 3:3, can two walk together except they be agreed?
In the end, true friendship enriches our lives like nothing else.
Having someone who celebrates our successes.
And supports you through your challenges, it's priceless.
46% of individuals who die by suicide have health conditions because of profound grief and loss associated with friends.
You may be saying, I feel so discouraged and lonely since I lost my friends. But let me tell you something. There is someone that wants to be your friend.
Discover the power of friendship in our journey through life.